Good morning, viewers, and welcome back to my channel once again. Today is Wednesday, and it will interest you that I have key betting insights with at least 90% win rate and betting tips for you guys for today's matches. So I'm going to share with you today my betting tips for today, and I am hoping that we win our today's sleep as well today. So without wasting much of your time, as a tradition in this channel, we normally talk about our yesterday's game before we dive into what we have for the day. So yesterday we made two YouTube predictions yesterday, which was a massive YouTube predictions, and on Telegram yesterday we also dropped two betting slip for you guys. Then later in the midnight on Telegram, we also dropped the basketball tip and also a mix-up of some football matches earlier in the morning, that is during the midnight game. I'm here to share with you the results of those games. Meanwhile, you can find the results in our video, or if you are following us in the Telegram channel, you'll be able to see all of these in full details. So first and foremost, I'm going to start with sharing with you our YouTube predictions yesterday. We dropped two sleep yesterday. It was successful, but we won one sleep and we lost the other sleep. Yes, the sleep where we had Manchester United away to win or draw, and in the same ticket we also have Barnsley to win or draw. That ticket messed us up real time. So the other ticket, which is a 2+ odd ticket, was a success. So congratulations to you if you won with our YouTube predictions yesterday. I'm saying a very big congratulations to you once again. So moving forward to Telegram yesterday, we dropped two betting slip on Telegram yesterday, in which we had one slip winning and we also had the other slip lost. So we won one and we also lost one. Then in the midnight, we dropped two betting slip, which comprises the NBA basketball games and also some midnight football games. We dropped two tickets. We also won one and we lost the other one. The other one we lost, it was we tipped on Denver Nuggets to win. The basketball team, Denver Nuggets to win. They played tied. Then in the overtime, the away team won the match with 1 point. That was what messed up the other ticket. Okay, but the other tickets for our midnight games, we are successful. If you have been following us on Telegram, predictions are being dropped, tips are being dropped, tickets are being dropped all the time. Okay, like I always encourage you to stay active on Telegram, because predictions will be coming anytime. Okay, so that you will not be left out in all of this. Okay, my main aim is to make sure that we and everybody wins this year 2025. Okay, so before we dive into our super prediction for today, if you're new to the channel, ensure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Okay, and I would like to remind you that yesterday we dropped another tutorial yesterday on how you can maximize your win chances and how you can predict football matches without stressing yourself. So this time around, the AI is doing the job of analysis for you. Okay, so you can check my yesterday's video. The video was dropped yesterday's evening for you to get full G, so that you will be analyzing football easily without stressing yourself, so that anytime I don't drop any football pick, you will be able to make predictions by yourself, okay, without stressing yourself. So the AI is going to do it for you. So for information about that video, you can check the video description of this video, or you can check my recent video, which is yesterday's video. The video was officially out yesterday. So let's dive into what we have for today. Today we have two best slip for you guys today, and the first ticket I have here comprises of 3+ odd, and the second ticket comprises of 2+ odd. Like I always advise you, take what you can afford to lose and gamble responsibly. So we are going to start first with the 2+ odd, then after that we navigate to the 3+ odd. Okay, so in the 2+ odd comprises of just 3 games. Okay, comprises of 3 games. So the first game here is from the English Premier League. We have Southampton versus Crystal Palace. My prediction or my take in this match is Crystal Palace to win or draw. Southampton has been awful. Southampton has been bad throughout this season. Okay, they are presently in the relegation zone without any help. So Crystal Palace are in the mid-table and they have been proving to us that they are good this season. So I'm tipping on Crystal Palace to win. Crystal Palace will take the advantage of Southampton not being a better team or not being in form this season to pounce on Southampton today. So my take here is Crystal Palace to win or draw. And the next game is from the Switzerland Super League. We have Sion versus Winterthur. So my prediction here is Sion to win the match straight. Sion to win the match straight. But for the fact that we are using Sportybet, we are making use of the 2-up option. So the 2-up option here serves as an insurance so that anytime the home team is winning with a 2-goal margin or 2-goal difference, the bookmaker automatically settles it for us, irrespective of the scoreline at the full time of the match. Okay, so if your bookmaker doesn't have the 2-up option, you can easily go for the home team straight win for the home team. Then the next game here, which is the last game, is from the Chinese Super League between Shanghai Shenhua versus Yunnan Yukon. So my prediction here is Shanghai Shenhua to win or draw. That is the home team to win or draw. So if you combine the 3 games I just mentioned, that gives you odd of 2.00 according to Sportybet. The code for the game is boldly displayed in front of your screen. Moving forward to our ticket 2 for the day. If you are still here to subscribe to the channel up to this moment, I don't know what you are waiting for. Click the subscribe button, like and share this video. Very importantly, turn on your bell notification so that you will not be missed out or you won't miss out in any of our posts. YouTube will alert you anytime we make a post. So based on our ticket 2 for today, which is a 3+ odd, to me this particular ticket, I took out my time to analyze this particular ticket. So my only advice to you, don't be greedy and edit this bet. Remove the one you don't like. Okay, remove the one you don't like. Remove anyone that you don't like. Remove it. Okay. So let's get down to this ticket. So the first game we have in this slip is between Liverpool versus Everton. Okay. So Liverpool is presently on the title race. Okay. So Liverpool and Everton are playing today. So I'm seeing this game to be an easy one for Liverpool, despite the fact that Everton is a team that can put up a show anytime. But I'm seeing Liverpool, and with the odds being offered by the bookmaker, Liverpool stand a high chance of winning this game. So my prediction here is Liverpool to win 2-up. So I'm giving the 2-up insurance option in this game so that anytime Liverpool is winning with the 2-goal difference, the bookmaker automatically settles it for us, irrespective of the scoreline. Then the next game is from the same Premier League. We have Bournemouth versus Ipswich Town. Honestly, these two teams, if you're analyzing their past matches, they have been awful. Like, they are not really doing good. But if you are checking based on the odd offered by the bookmaker is suggesting that Bournemouth stand a chance of winning this match. But Bournemouth, two of their form are awful. Like, it's not what you can write home about. Their forms are very, very awful. So in that case, we are giving Bournemouth to win and draw. Let's not give them to win because they might disappoint us. Okay, so the next game is from the Championship, between England Championship precisely. We have Derby County coming up against Preston North End. So my take on this game is Derby County to win or draw. It's going to be a dicey one. Expect a tough game in this match, but my tip here is Derby County to win or draw. Then the next game is from the Portugal Super League. We have Benfica versus Farense. So my prediction in this game is Benfica to win 2-up. Benfica to win 2-up at the odd of 1.14. Then lastly is from the Japan main league. We have Urawa Red Diamonds versus Shimizu. So my take on this game is home to win or draw. Home to win or draw is the prediction. So the home team stands a better chance of winning this game easily because their last head-to-head they were able to get a point at the home of Shimizu. So I think they are going to at least get us a point as well today when playing at home. And based on their head-to-head so far, the home team are better. And based on the recent form so far, the home team are also better. Okay, so if you combine these 5 games I just mentioned, now gives you odd of 3.16 odd according to Sportybet. The odd might differ in your own bookmaker. Okay, so the booking code for this game is boldly displayed in front of your screen. So guys, these are my honest predictions for you guys for today. Don't forget the rules of betting: stake what you can afford to lose and gamble responsibly. And it's never a must you have to bet it this way. You have a right to edit your bet and place your bet. But if you find my own game attractive, you can go ahead to place your bet on it. So we are looking forward for another win today. We have been winning and we have been consistent. I have been consistent. Why not you be consistent by liking the video? It is not going to take you anything. Like the video so that YouTube will be able to recommend this video to another person. Okay, like the video, subscribe to the channel, join our Telegram channel, and turn on your bell notification. I wish us the very best of luck. See you guys in my next video. Bye.